In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Google Sheets easily. This simple yet often overlooked feature can significantly enhance the organization and presentation of your data, making it much easier for others to read and understand. So, let's dive in and explore how you can effortlessly add bullet points to your Google Sheets. First, make sure you've opened the Google Sheet that you want to work on. Open your browser, navigate to your Google Drive and find the specific Google Sheets file. Double-click to open it and you'll be ready to get started. It's important to ensure you're on the right sheet and have everything you need at your fingertips, as this will make the process much more straightforward. Now that you're in your Google Sheet, the next step is to select the cell where you want to display a bullet point. Simply click on the cell to highlight it. This selection tells Google Sheets where you want your text to appear, and it lays the groundwork for adding your bullet point. Remember that selecting the correct cell is crucial, as this will be the location where you'll organize your bulleted data. Once you've selected your cell, the third step is to double-click on that cell. This action allows you to edit the content directly within the cell itself, essentially opening up the cell for input. Double-clicking provides you with the freedom to type directly into the cell, ensuring you can place your bullet points at the desired location without any issues. If you're having trouble with selecting or editing, make sure you're double-clicking directly inside the cell rather than just clicking on the cell outline. With your cell selected and ready for input, here's the magic part. To create a bullet point, press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard and then press 7 on the numeric keypad. This combination will instantly create a bullet point in the selected cell. If you don't see the bullet point immediately, make sure your keyboard is set to English and that your numeric keypad is enabled. This shortcut is a quick and seamless way to include bullet points in your data, giving it a polished look. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added bullet points to your Google Sheets. This feature is fantastic for making lists, outlining information, or simply giving your spreadsheet a more organized appearance. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to try adding bullet points in various cells or contexts within your sheets. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to apply this trick to make your Google Sheets even more user-friendly and visually appealing. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Until next time.